Hello friends, we have this exponential equation and we need to get the value of m that will satisfy this equation. So let's start off by rewriting this. Now I'm going to express 27 as a power of 3, express 8 as a power of 2, because I can do the same thing to 4 and 9 here. So it's going to be 3 raised to the power of 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is what? 27. So you have again 2 raised to the power 3. 2 times 2 times 2 is what? 8. So we have all raised to the power of what? M plus 7. And what about this? Well, one of the laws of indices, if you have a negative exponent as we have now, and you want to remove that negative sign, you have to take the reciprocal of the value which that negative exponent is applied to. So 4 over 9, if you take the reciprocal, it becomes what? 9 over 4. Because we want to remove the negative exponent. Now, let me tell you this. The reason why we are removing the negative exponent and taking the reciprocal of this value is because I want, if you take 9 up, you have 3 raised to the power of 2, which will match with the base here. And 4 becomes 2 raised to the power of 2, which will match with the base here. You see the logic behind this now. So let's remove the negative sign and inverse this. It's going to be 3 raised to the power of 2. Remember, 9 is going to the numerator, while 4 is becoming the denominator. So that's what? 2 raised to the power of 2. Then you have to remove the negative sign. So this is 3m. I hope this is making sense. Okay, now I can group this power and rewrite it like this. 3 over 2, all raised to the power of 3. It's actually the same thing. If you can apply this power to 3 and 2 and you get back this. So we have m plus 7, which is equal to, do the same thing here, 3 over 2, all raised to the power of 2. 2 can be applied to 3 and 2, you get back this. Then times what? 3m. All right. We have a common base. 3 over 2 is common to both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So I'm going to equate the exponent since we have a common base on both sides of the equation. So it's going to be 3 bracket m plus 7 is equal to what? 2 bracket 3m. So 3 times m is 3m. 3 times 7 is what? 21. And this is equal to 2 times 3m is what? 6m. So if I transpose 3m to the right hand side, I'm going to have what? 21 on the left hand side, and then 3m minus what? 6m rather minus what? 3m. So 21 is equal to what? 6m minus 3m. That's 3m. Divide both sides by 3 to get the value of m here. And you're going to have that 21 divided by 3 is 7. And 3 cancels 3, you have m. So m is equal to 7. So the value of m that will satisfy this equation is 7. But hold on, I want us to test it into this equation. And let's see if what we have on the left-hand side will be the same as what we have on the right-hand side. So it's going to be 27 over 8 as we have here, all raised to the power of what? M is 7, so that's 7 plus 7 is what? 14. I'm going to be using this because this and this are the same. So it's going to be what? 9 over what? 4, all raised by what? 3. M is 7. 3 times 7 is what? 21. We have still not been able to categorically say they are equal. But what about if we express 21 and 14 as a factor of 7 and another whole number? Watch this. Is going to be what? This is going to be what? 2 times 7. What about this? This is going to be what? 3 times 7. So for us to compare categorically, if they have the same exponent, then we can check the base. If the bases are the same, we can say they are equal if the exponents are the same. So 7 and 7 will make the exponent the same. After apply 2 to 27 and 8, and 3 to what? 9 and 4. So it's going to be 27 raised to the power 2 over 8 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 7. Okay. Then the same thing here, 9 over 4 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3, and then raised to the power 7. So what is 27 raised to the power 2? Is 729. So that's 729. And what is 8 raised to the power of 2? That's 8 times 8, which is what? 64. And let's see this one. 9 raised to the power 3, 9 times 9 times 9 will still give you 729. And 4 raised to the power 3 is what? 64. Then we have the exponent of 7 here. Are they not the same? Of course they are. So we can just put equal to in all of them and say, yes, the value of m that will satisfy this equation is going to be what? 7. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more content like this. I will see you in the next one.